I'm Rhonda Jenner with the quilt exhibit down here at the Black Hills Central States Fair. This year we ended up with 103 entries into our quilt show. But the Quilt Guild, we do a lot of things. But this year and last year we had kids come down and adults, not just children, but we had adults, young teens, everybody come sew. We had over 200 kids sit down and sew. So this year we're trying it again, so they can come down to the fair, they can sit and sew, they can buy the raffle quilt tickets. We have a free sewing machine for children 5 to 17. And we also have a raffle basket for raffle tickets also. Just come down and see us. The quilts are beautiful. It just really brightens this room up. Every quilt has a story. So this quilt behind me here took me 14 years to make. I started 14 years ago with a hand applique group, and I didn't work on the blocks every year, but I started in 2009 and I just finished it in 2024. And it ended up going to Houston to the International Quilt Show, which that is like the creme of la creme. So I'm very proud of this quilt, and I did take first place here and best of class. So I'm very happy with it. And like I said, every quilt has a story. So you need to come down and check out the fair and look at all of these beautiful quilts in the Nerdy Knot building. When I mentioned hand applique, is what you do is each one of these pieces is a piece that you have to take with a needle and turn that under and make a stitch. So all of this quilt here is done by hand. The only thing that's machine quilted is the quilting behind it, and then each block is sewn together. But every little piece that you see on this quilt is turned under with a needle and stitched. So that's what hand applique is. And we do have a group at our Black Hills Quilters Guild group that does this, which is I will teach you how to hand applique. If you want to join our guild, we'd be more than happy to teach you anything at the guild, from hand applique to piecing to just everything, and having fun on Tuesday. So come down and see us if you'd like to join the guild.
Hi, I'm Marcus Zirk. I'm the supervisor of the photography department here at the Central States Fair. And this year we had two different categories. We had beginners and we had amateurs. We also had a division of professional, but we didn't get anybody entered in it this year. We did last year, but so I counted and we had 150 different entries this year, which is up from last year, which is good. One thing that I talked to a lot of the photographers about, which surprised me, I asked them what kind of cameras that they used to take these pictures. I would say 98% of the people used their phone cameras to take pictures, and just a very few used a 35 millimeter camera. So I'm glad to see that the photography exhibit is growing, and I hope that it continues in the future.
I'm Jo Rose, and I'm supervisor of Fine Arts. And the reason I started doing it was like 4 years ago. They didn't have it because there was nobody to do the work. So, and what I'm really interested in, children's art is really good. And the other thing is the folk art's kind of coming back, and I'm really enjoying that. And then finding some judges. I got a girl from the college to help me judge this time, and my grandkids have been helping me. So that's pretty much it. But the folk art's beautiful, and so we're really excited about trying getting some tattoo art, but we couldn't get any tattoo artists to bring in their stuff. So yeah, that's another market we're trying to do.
Don Mitchell, superintendent of the model building. This year we had a larger turnout this year. We had right around 100 models that we judged, and a whole bunch more that we did not judge, display only. Ranging from your street vehicle, your street cars, trucks, racing cars, your military vehicles, aircraft, ships. And over here is our little miniature figures. Oh yeah, come on down. Come on down. We're raffling off 4 kits this year. One for the kids. It's a cup of noodles here for the kids. And 3 more for adults. And you can also vote for your best of choice here, your People's Choice Award. So come on down and take a chance on winning a model. This is Don again. I'm also the superintendent of the wood carvers. You see here we got quite a large selection here. Wood carvers are broke down to your skill levels. And we have all the way from the masters and all the way down to the kids or the youth. This year we start something new, soap carvings. Then of course over here we have just our regular static displays of non-judging. Again here also we have People's Choice, come out and vote for People's Choice. And we're also over here raffling off some carvings that somebody has done in the past. You just come down here, pick out the ones you'd like to have, give us a dollar, and if it wins, that's your carving.
Yes, how are you? Good.